So let's take a closer look at this Enduro battery. It's the longer lasting wide temperature range battery. And this is the battery that comes stock with the GoPro Hero 12 Black, the GoPro Hero 11 Black, and it's backwards compatible with the Hero 10 Black or Hero 9 Black. And it's a longer lasting wide temperature range battery. Now this battery is a 1720 milliamp hour lithium ion battery. I'll open it up here. And it says a limited lifetime warranty on there as well. There's some paperwork on that. And there's the Enduro battery itself. It says you can get up to a 40% increase in recording time with these Enduro batteries over the older blue tipped batteries. So these ones are white on the ends there. And dramatic cold weather performance increase of temperatures down to minus 10 degrees Celsius or 14 degrees Fahrenheit, and up to 13% faster charging with these Enduro batteries. And again, these are the batteries that come stock now with the GoPro Hero 11 Black and the 12 Black.